Your love is all I can think of. I don't want it, boy, I need it now. My heart is telling me I'm crazy, 'cause I shouldn't be sticking around. Everybody know in the town I'm the one that's holding you down. Everybody know in the town, but I'm the one that's...
Okay, our eyebrows are on fleek, honey. Ooh, girl. Why are you so cute? What is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I decided to do a makeup tutorial using all of my favorite affordable products. And I came up with this very nice half cut crease type of look right here, a pop of color on the eyes with a nude lip. And I am obsessed with this eyeshadow. I am obsessed with this look, period. And all the products that I use in the video will be listed down below in the description box, just in case you guys missed something or I forgot to tell you guys what I use. It'll be in the description box below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? Go ahead and pause this video, hit that subscribe button, because it helps me help you guys. And also give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this look and this video, if you guys want more videos like this. And yeah, so I'm feeling it, y'all. I'm always feeling it, but I'm feeling it for real this time. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. First, we're going to start off with moisturizer, and you guys know one of my favorite, all-time favorite moisturizer is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream, and I ran through like 3 of these already, and this is like a pretty big, excuse my phone, this is like a pretty big container. Yeah, this is like pretty big, so I'm like halfway empty with this, and y'all, this is like 7, 8, 6, I don't know. I only use a small amount of this, and you guys, my face is completely moisturized throughout the day. If you know me, and if you are a old subscriber, and if you're not new, then you know that this is one of my favorite moisturizers ever. I have been raving about this since I knew moisturizer. Like, this is so good. And I have combination skin, so my skin does get oily sometimes, and in some areas I do get dry, and this works like as a really good balance between the two. You may not want to spend, you know, $20 on an eyebrow product, but I feel like it's worth it. This, I've had this for almost a year now, and I haven't even hit pan yet, so I feel like the $20 will serve you a very long time. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, and this is the pomade, and I really love this. It's just like a very soft and creamy eyebrow product. Really lightweight, which I really like. It doesn't make your brows feel like you even have product on it, which is a really good thing. So I don't really have to apply much product, and already I feel like my brows look really nice and full, which is, you know, what I'm going for. Y'all, my brows, they coming through. And if you're like me with spending money on makeup, because I literally have to prepare myself to spend a good amount of money on makeup, then if you're not ready to spend the $20 on this product, then, you know, there are other great dupes for Anastasia. You have NYX, you have ColourPop, you know, products like that. Maybelline, you know, there's always alternatives, so you don't have to spend money on whatever I use. But, you know, I just really like this product. To conceal our eyebrows, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and just go ahead and outline the bottom and the top of my brows. My eyelids, my famous fluffy brush, and just blend everything out. And you guys know that the LA Girl Pro Concealer is a very good and expensive concealer. If you don't have this, and if you are just like starting out with makeup, then I'll definitely, you know, suggest this concealer. It's really good, very inexpensive. They have a lot of shade ranges, so I mean, you'll benefit from this. So now for eyeshadow, using one of my all-time favorite eyeshadow palettes. This is the Morphe 3502 palette, and I love this palette so much. There's so many nice colors in here. You have your bright colors, your dark colors, your neutral colors, your warm colors. It's just a nice range, and I love this palette so much. This shade right here, and use this as my transition shade. And we're going to apply in circular motions and back and forth motions. And we're going to take this very nice brown shade right here and take that color in our crease, just to deepen this look up and give our eyes some definition. And this is just like a very nice cool tone brown, which blends well with our transition shade, because it makes it look a little bit warm. So now that we have that on, we're going to go ahead and carve out our crease, and I'm going to use the same concealer, the LA Girl. And we're just going to take the top and kind of flicker it out. Now that we have that going on, you know, like this just like nice half cut crease look, we're going to dip into this orange shade. We're going to pat this on our crease. And we're going to go in with a smaller brush, a black shadow. So we're just applying this on the outer corner. Orange, we're just going to define that little sparse line that we left out. One of my favorite mascaras is the Colossal Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline. I'm going to apply a very thin layer. And for lashes, I'm going in with the Morphe lashes. These are in the style Hypnotic. And these lashes are for $10, and they're very affordable. And I really love the way that these flare out and are super dramatic. So we're going to pop these on. Boom, y'all, lashes are on, and I always get so excited once I have my lashes on and my eye makeup is almost done, because you know, like I just get this whole feeling. So for primer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Blur and Illuminate primer. Apply this all over my face. I love applying some type of glow under my foundation because it just adds more luminous to the look. So my face has glow, as you guys can see. It's very glowy, radiant, and it looks really nice. One of my all-time favorite foundations in the drugstore is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless, and this is in the shade 335. And oh my gosh, you guys, one of my favorites, like hands down. Not the matte that's like super drying, so it's like really skin-like, which I really like. And I'm just using my Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend this all in. This is just like a really nice sponge. It's very soft, and it's a dupe for the Beauty Blender sponge, but ain't nobody spending $20 for that, okay? I'm not at that stage yet. They also have like the smaller ones for your concealer, which I think is very cute and very convenient, because sometimes these bigger sponges just get in the way and you're not able to get right underneath your eyes like how you want to. And so for concealer, we're going to go into the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. One of my favorite concealers ever. I mean, I don't crease with this at all, and it's super creamy but still very hydrating. And I do have dry eyes, like dry under eyes, But this concealer right here, with this, I don't crease. So I'm going to keep using what works for me. And it's also very inexpensive as well. And we're just applying this on all the areas that we want to highlight. And then going in with our beauty blender, we're going to blend it out with the same side that we use to blend our foundation out. And I like to save my under eyes to blend out last because it helps to build up more coverage the longer it stays on. And I just love blending out the under eyes, so I like to save that for last. So that concealer isn't much of a highlighting shade. It's pretty much just conceal my dark circles. So then I like to go in with the same concealer but in a different shade. And this is in the shade medium, just to brighten my under eyes up. And we're going to blend this out. Right, and for contour, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Matchstick. This is in the shade Truffle. And I'm just going to use this to contour. Going to apply on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my jawline, and on the bridge of my nose. And I'm going to go right in with a buffing brush and go ahead and blend this out. This product is very creamy. And I really love the color of this contour. It's not too warm and not too cool, so it gives me the best results for a snatched look. Alright, so now to set everything, you guys know this is one of my favorite setting powders. This is the Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. It is very inexpensive. This is $5-6 at Walmart. Yeah, and it does a really good job. I never get any flashback with this, so I'm gonna stick with this. I like to brush this over my smile lines. Don't forget the forehead, on the nose, and underneath our cheekbones. Alright, so now that we did that, we're going to set our contour now. And I'm using the NYX Matte Bronzer. Super bomb. I love this bronzer. And we're just going to go over all the areas where we applied our contour to. Although this is a bronzer, I do use this as a contour because of the shade. I feel like it gives me the most natural but still like sharp look, which I really, really like. And for blush, I'm going to use the Morphe 9B palette. Also one of my favorite blush palettes. I'm going to mix these two shades together. Right, so now back to the eyes. We're going to go ahead and apply our eyeliner. This is just the Morphe eyeliner. I don't really have a favorite eyeliner, but I mean, this is really good. It's very creamy and it stays on and it doesn't smudge at all. We're going to go back into the orange shade underneath our lash line. Going into the brown that we used, we're going to also apply this shade on our lash line, but mainly on the outer part. Alright, so now we're going to apply some mascara on our bottom lash line just to finish off this look. Alright, so now I'm going to spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus. Alright, so now we're going to line our lips, and I'm using the NYX lip liner in the shade Toast. And you guys know I have to go nude because I am using my favorite products, and my favorite products are nude lips. I'm sorry, but we have to, okay? NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. And this is just a very nice nude color. I bought this about 3 times now because I literally like finished the whole bottle, and this color is so beautiful. Or highlight. I did not forget highlight. You know, we gotta save the best for last. So for highlight, I'm gonna use the MorphexBretman Babe in Paradise palette, and we're gonna go into Vacation and Get Laid. These two. Oh my gosh. You guys see why this is one of my favorite highlighting palettes? Oh my goodness. And of course we cannot forget the nose highlight. And then we're gonna set our face again. Alright, love, so that completes this look. I absolutely love the outcome of this look. I love the eyes, the pop of color, and my new lips. Of course, y'all know I love my new lips. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. And I will definitely see you loves in my next video. But before we go, today's motivational quote is, God is about to take you where you cannot go on your own. So be ready to see a shift in your life. And with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.